Hi everybody, welcome to our Pebbles or overberg pebbles as we call it. Today I'm showing you how to clean your pebbles because it is important to clean your pebbles for the element's sake, because there's sand and stuff on the pebbles, especially when you buy it. They don't clean your pebbles, so you have to make sure it's clean before you start. Now the first thing you have to have is a cloth like this, and then you have to have a sponge, an old toothbrush, and don't go use mom's new stuff or somebody's new stuff. Use old stuff like an old sponge, old cloth, old toothbrush. Don't think somebody would like it if you use their new toothbrush. And then you use cleaning products. I use Sunlight or all-purpose cleaner, depending on the amount of stuff you have to get rid of. And then you have a bucket with lukewarm water. This is a bucket with the soap, and then you have just a bucket with ordinary clean water. Now what you're going to do is, for instance, you have your pebble, okay, and then you put it inside and you do this. Clean it all over like you brush your teeth. It's gonna look like this. And then what you do then, you just dump it, rinse it, and the cloth is just to tidy it. Get rid of the excess water, and then when you do that, you set it in a sunny place to get dry, or you just leave it on your cloth somewhere in your storage area or in a window and let it dry. And when it's dry, you're gonna start. So I hope this will inspire you to start painting pebbles. But firstly, clean your pebbles well, and when it's cleaned and dry, then we can start. Thank you very much. The next one, we will start with what you're going to use to start painting your pebbles. Thank you.